Last week, Trumpet raised a $6 million seed round. The very next day, Nick, the CEO, broke the hearts of almost 200 BDRs who reached out. These reps missed their shot to sell, but in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how you can land a call with startups who just raised a new funding round. See, Nick made a good point that just because a startup receives funding doesn't mean that they're ready to spend it all in the first day. However, I disagree that you have to wait 2-3 months before you reach out. That's 2-3 months you could spend nurturing them. So by the time you do reach out, they already have a reason to trust you. Well, trust in your abilities at least. In my case, I help sales teams become their ideal buyer's first choice. One of the ways I do this is by fixing their messaging. So let's see how I would fix Trumpet's messaging when going to their homepage. So when you go onto Trumpet's homepage, everything's elegantly designed, looks nice, and there's not too much to fix, to be honest. But let's take a look at their hero messaging. Buying software sucks. Make it easy for your buyers to buy. Who is Trumpet for? It's for sales reps who want to enable their buyers to buy from them. They don't necessarily care to make it easy for their buyers to buy. They want to sell. So that's one thing I changed, but there's a bigger problem, and that's buzzwords. Whenever you use buzzwords like streamline, centralized, personalized, not only do they not mean anything to your buyers or to your prospects, it also is a missed opportunity to actually get your message across. What is the challenge that you're helping sales reps overcome? So I rewrote this for Trumpet. Let's see what the revised version looks like. Buying software sucks. Yeah, get to the point. Make it easy for your buyers to choose you. Not a big change so far, but it does address the thing that sales reps want. They want to be the chosen supplier. So instead of making it easy for buyers to buy, make it easy for buyers to choose you over the competition. Now let's see what we did with the buzzwords. Streamline, centralize, personalize. Let's see what actually is taking place in your buyer's world and how Trumpet helps you overcome that. So they click to book a demo or sign up for free instantly. Instead of getting lost in your buyer's inbox, keep every update in a single place for them. Okay, but why should I care? We'll sound the trumpets to let you know when you're needed and when. So Trumpet basically tells you who's looking at what materials that you send your buyers and when, so you can reach out at the right time without having to manually monitor your inbox for responses from your buyers, or having to just send a just checking in follow-up email or bugging your prospects when they haven't even had that internal meeting yet. Trumpet lets you know when your proposal or updates are being discussed internally, so you're reaching out at the right time. So you're not getting lost in your buyer's inbox. You're not sending just checking in follow-ups. And you yourself don't have to look through hundreds of emails, especially for enterprise deals, to see when you sent a certain attachment. No, everything's in a single place for both the buyer and you. So that's what we want to call out instead of streamlined, centralized, personalized. So next time you receive a notification that a startup received a new funding round, think of how you can demonstrate your abilities to deliver for that startup instead of reaching out and getting lost amongst 200 other SDRs and BDRs who are reaching out to that startups. Hope this helps, and good luck.